What if our moon suddenly disappeared and was replaced by something else?
The moon controls tides, stabilizes Earth, and shapes life itself. Without its pull, oceans falter, rhythms break, and the night loses its guide. Imagine a world where it simply dissolves.
Without it, Earth would become unstable.
Now, let's replace it. What if we swapped our moon with other planets? Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and back to the moon. Which one would you keep?
Mercury is much heavier than the moon. Mercury is swimming against as many as running to fill those Mercuries directly to the available buildings. Chandran is passed through less Mercury, and a management, Mercury is much heavier than the moon. The most
First.
Tides would become massive and destructive.
Life near the oceans would struggle to survive. At one cloud, the jewelless coast life.
Now imagine Venus. Most importantly, Venus. The wonderful dying of the sky. Venus only delivers blade which can be big a man in life mass of the sky. A cloth past.
It would appear huge in the sky.
All these days would become longer.
Climate chaos would begin.
What about Mars?
Mars is closer to the moon's size. Against the vastness of space, it might look like a twin of Earth, but its diameter is barely twice that of our satellite. Up close, the small world shows enormous canyons, frozen caps, and dusty plains, yet all wrapped in a much gentler gravity.
Tides would be stronger, but survivable. They'd reach farther up the sand, lap against old stone, roll underneath and above, and sometimes throw spray over our shoulders. We'd get used to the rhythm. A little while.
Fire nights would glow red. The world were full of East, life river of animals. These lines were increment in every campfire. As a child, at revivals of the lake.
Somewell history. The Jupiter of this illogically lured that Aurora could pass into the planet.
This would be catastrophic.
Earth would be torn apart by gravity. Oceans would rise into the sky. Continents would crack and lift like paper caught in a storm. Cities, mountains, and entire seas would be pulled into space, spiraling toward the intruder. In minutes, our world would unravel.
Life would end instantly.
Saturn would be beautiful. But deadly.
The sky would be stunning. Alone, amazing rings. The sky would be shy, having all along these overtold rings.
Wave.
But tides would devastate the planet.
The Earth would slowly break. Fissures creep across deserts and forests. Streets that once felt solid waver and breathe. Ice splits, coasts shudder, cities pause. From orbit, the fracture glows like a warning written in fire. Everything we know balanced on the...
Even distant ice giants wouldn't save us. Extreme gravity and cold effects.
The dome that's filmed airline accounts. A lava zone in full COD light, but the moon is perfectly balanced.
It keeps Earth stable.
To my body. Without it, life wouldn't exist as we know it.
Sometimes, perfection already exists.
Our moon is irreplaceable. It draws the tides, stirs the seas, steadies our axis, lights our nights, marks our time, and lets us dream of other worlds, exactly where it belongs. One moon, perfect distance.
So next time you see the moon, remember how special it is.